Welcome back to my channel. TrustScore listing update. The TrustScore team has reportedly submitted listing form to major exchanges including Bybit, Mexc and OKX. Even Coingecko has officially received their request for the listing of ticker. Will we call this big news or what? So in this video, stick around, we'll find out their latest update. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome to like, share, subscribe, join our WhatsApp, our Telegram channel for high value updates. Now let's look at their listing update. They made this update not quite long, I think 57 minutes ago. They made this update. You can see it here. That big news, TrustScore token listing. The wait is almost over. The TrustScore token is set to be listed on 17th March on major exchanges. 17th March on major exchange. They have the Bybit, the Mexc, and the OKX. The team has already submitted the listing form, and the new moment the community was waiting for is here. The mining phase is almost complete. The community is growing fast and exchanges are ready. 17th March could be the turning point for TrustScore. Wow. So they say if you miss BTC, Ethereum, Pi, ARB or SU, don't miss this opportunity again. Stay active. Big things are coming for the TrustScore community. Date 17th March. Remember the date. 17th March, we are going to receive this token on our exchanges for those that claim. So now, what does this mean? What does this mean? What does this have? They are sharing those updates bumper to bumper, and they also send their request to Coingecko. So Coingecko will also list this ticker. Wow, interesting. Interesting. Let's quickly look at the comment section and see what people has to say. And someone say 1,300 pending. Okay. Listing price, connect address. Say I have already deposited the call but not added my ticker in my account wallet. I have made a deposit of call, but why can't I confirm the transaction? Is this a scam project? Someone say last night I asked for withdrawal, but my withdrawal is pending and it will be cleared. You are afraid to mention Coingecko. People have not claimed their TrustScore. When you deposit 10 code to withdraw, whatever you have mine, it does not reflect in the app. Yet they claim community has withdrew. It is now listed. Wonder shall never end. Someone say here, it's been 2 weeks and my call deposit hasn't yet come in. These are from those that actually deposited that 10 call. They are here complaining that yes, they can still receive their token. Another person say we are waiting for this exchange listing announcement a few days ago. They have made it now. We have 3 days to go. Today is 14. The listing is going to take place on 17th March. OKX, Bybit and Mexc. OKX, Bybit and Mexc are listing this. So now you see here, you will see that on March 17th, absolutely nothing will happen on any of the interchanges. Where is actually the T-Core contract address? The T-Core token already exists on core blockchain. This one is an obvious scam. They organize themselves to extract as many core as possible from the community. They are pressuring you to make a withdrawal, yet you will never see. These are for people that withdrew. So nevertheless, let's keep our fingers crossed. They said on 17th. 17th, you will still know whether something is going to happen or not. 17th is very, very clear. We'll find out. We will find out. So if you actually deposited a 10 call, congratulations to you. You have a hope. At least you know that 17th you are going to cash out. Abinobi so. So that is it for this video. See you guys in my next video.